let's make a movie. Today I'm bringing you again another day to slay. I still have my twists in. They looking old, but I feel like that brings more character to your hair. My part one of smoky eye. So we're gonna do the top smoky, gonna be an inverse smoky eye. So I think you're really gonna like that. You know, I love concealer as just, you know, some face. But I also like to use it on my eyeshadow looks because it's really important that you put a little bit of concealer on when you're trying to do like a really bold color on. And then I also have beautiful bronze. So I look like one-eyed Willie, just trying to let my concealer drizzy. We're gonna just start with putting in our eyeshadow. I tell you, it's really, really simple. So I went and got a flat brush, it's angled, and I'm actually gonna start from the outside and work my way in. Okay, this is part two of me giving you the smoky eye look compilation. As you can see, I've already perfected the regular smoky eye look, because it's always good, you know, a little bit of transition color and a little bit of white really brings out a smoky eye. You could do all black, but I like to do the Chrissy's smoky eye. But now we're gonna do Chrissy's inverse smoky eye, where we actually just do smokiness to the lower eyelid. So, hello all my beautiful audience members. I just wanted to tap in with you before I had to end this wonderful video that you're here with me for, because my camera died, and that's ghetto. My battery died. Oh my god. So it's just a couple steps. So I figured I'd just let y'all know and let me know how it goes. So I take the white eyeshadow, I dab it on my waterline, because you know a girl is on a budget, so she just used white eyeshadow instead of going to the store and buying white eyeliner like I know I should have, but that's okay. Then I take my eyeliner pencil. Whew, child, look how small that pencil is. Girl, baby girl, get it together. Anyways, then I take some black eyeshadow and I dab it right where I put the eyeliner. It's fly, it's furious. It's fly and the furious, okay, over here. Fly, furious, and fabulous, always. That was so effortless. Look how easy that is. Once I put that eyeshadow, bish-ish, sexy. Now, I took some brown transition colors and I just kind of made that under eye real gradient. Then I put mascara and put my eyelashes on, and I just looked fabulous. So, listen, I have the eyeshadow smoky eye look, okay? I give you the old school and I give you the new school, and I give you the who's who to be who, because this is what it is. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like below, because I'm here for you. We doing big things. This is Opulence Made Easy with Chrissy Slays. Look at that. Look at that. Okay? Okay. Tell me what you think. Do you like it? Which one you rocking? You know my peoples. You my peoples. I'll talk to y'all later, and I'll see y'all in the next video.